Howdy, Poke. Uh, eh, ah, I would say I'm feeling a little bit sleepy. Uh, let's check if shit's working correctly before we start with anything. Yeah, shit works. We'll be doing something different today. Something unusual. Eh, tell me. Just to confirm, I've been messing with my streamer.bot code yesterday, so just checking stuff out. Yes, shit works. Hell yeah. Cause that's the way, I like it. Cool. So what we'll be doing today is I want to implement some stuff in my streamer bot. It will be mainly code, because I don't understand the UI bits, but I understand code. So we'll see how it goes. So let me just very quickly switch some scenes. Awesome. Everything is here. You all should get some nice lofi beats now too. Cool. Cool. Yesterday I cleaned up my weather code. That doesn't require any API. If anyone would like to take it, there's a whole article on how to set it up and everything in our Discord. Just type !! Discord if you would like to join. Otherwise... So voice control, yeah. Add... Yippee. And let's keep it a num for now. Default queue. Score. Command triggered. Create command. B. Mode basic. Basic works. I should start with which I'll deal with cooldowns later. Cool. Okay. Save it before anything. So what we'll be making is for chatting chatters of my chat and whoever nicks the command to be able to write a command !Giphy, add some text, and that would try to find a Giphy GIF and return it onto the screen. Oh. But for that, we actually want to make it completely custom and without needing a cleanup. So I don't want to have already something set up in OBS for that. I want to pick up the current scene, add a source into OBS, show the GIF for X seconds, clean up, meaning delete shit from OBS. So, that's right. Okay. Okay, I will need threading, I'll need... Thank you. Okay. So that will not be needed. Nice. So for now, as a starter, let's just have a private static read only string, source name, temp. What else do we need? Private static read only string URL URL HTTPS cool.com works for me. Cool. Also, we'll need some temporary, static read only end. That's most likely gonna be source name. I will try to most likely generate it from outside. So I'm completely random name. Because even temp is not exactly a good temporary name if I'm giving it publicly. So source name will likely be generated. Temp width, temp height will most likely be part of globals. But for now, let's just have temporaries inside the code for just easier debugging. I don't know. Compile, cool, cool. So private string get scene name at least one accessor. Oh, that's most likely does. Let's see, it needs these. Yep. Yep, not all has return value. In response. And send. Oh. Good, let me check streamer.bot. Oh. Mm-hmm. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Send. Yep. Okay. Quest type. Scene. Damn it, it's getting me that it's automatically populating the close bit. String. Scene response. Just make sure it's not, it's defined. No, let's just, you know what? Return. What was the data? Where is that? Oh, true. True. What am I doing? Convert from string to int. Argument 1, 14. So maybe this one. Ba, ba, bum. Yeah. Just to make sure. Yep. Sometimes I hate this. I am slightly using ChatGPT to help me with this, since I'm not too familiar with C#. I code in Delphi mainly and JavaScript. Also, I'm gonna be coding all evening today at work, so, you know, don't want to overheat my brain. My pea brain. Oh god. Oops. Oopsie. Oh yeah. What does that? Oh god. Heck. Current scene. JSON. Oops. That's better. So, string equals get scene. And still compiles. Very good. Oh yeah, I want my usual private void log info and log line. I always find good to have plus log line. How shall we name this? Give the action. Awesome. Private log error. String log line. Log error. Reaction plus log line. And actually, let's just put these at the top. These are completely generic things that we don't care. And we don't want anyone to care. Cool. Log info. Current scene found plus scene name. Compile, actually save and compile. I didn't open my log files. Most likely that will be the log. Don't need this anymore. That's the old log. Is there a test trigger? Yes. Awesome. We got the correct scene. Possible to check if... Okay, very good. We're getting good progress. Okay, so in any case, first we want to OBS is so if OBS is not connected, we want to log error OBS is not connected. Check your OBS setup. Return false. File save. Have a coffee. Okay, so next we want if string is null or white space. Scene name. If it's null or white space, then I want then we want log error. Was not able to get the currency name. Turn false. I might play with this for the text. Do some BS. Okay. Oh, we got that. So for now, let's do a private string, because I have no idea what's the actual response from OBS, so... So, we'll have to deal with it in other ways. So anyway, we'll private string... create new source name. Okay. Source name. Don't go there. Okay. source. Okay, so actually I also need string scene name. Scene name, source name, browser source, URL with temp height. Oh, actually I will also need string URL. URL, awesome. CPA, ODS, and raw. Great input. Dun, 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 dun. That work? Oh yeah. Mi forgetti. Cool. Log info. Like no. String creation result equals create new source, same name, source name, temp URL. And I'm missing a semicolon here. For source name, which is 56. It is because I put it as static. String does not continuous. What? Whoopsie. Okay, let's see how this goes. Cool. That kind of work, I guess. Sorry, my OBS. Pa-pa-pum. Did. What? Why? I have no clue why is it semi-transparent. Oh, because background color is transparent. Okay, doesn't matter. Cool, very good. This is working as it should. And yes, I want to do a temp. Begone, thought. Oh, okay, very good. Good progress. GG. Okay, so what am I getting? I forgot to check this. Giphy. So I input UID. Okay. My curiosity is I input UID. Most likely what I'll need for moving. No, might not. Okay, well. Private. And get source ID. String scene name, string source name. Very good. Okay. Add these. New source ID. JSON. Actually, can I? Just the way I'm more used to my own, sort of doing my own stuff. Just trying to keep the one more, two more. That's fine. Okay. Very good. Source ID response. Post ID. And that will be a return. Oh yeah. The name, source name. Okay. Creation result. Actually, you know what? Log info. New source ID. Response. And new source ID equals get new source ID, scene name, source name, copy time, log info, new source ID. Do string. Don't remember it. Yeah, that works. Test trigger. Okay. Okay, I'm already getting it from one, so I don't see the point of reusing that one. K. Oh, which means then let's get back here. I'm showing you guys logs on purpose, just don't worry. It's better to see actually what's happening behind the scenes. Makes it should to be easier. So, create new source string. Oh, what we want is actually new source data response bar post id equal to post new source response. Thinking, should I give return an int, or yeah, let's return an int. Actually might return for new source parsed. And it's scene item ID. To object and I just want some space here. Well, that's a incorrect D. And now here gets the name, creation results, and item ID, and like this. So try just in case, because never hurts to try catch these things. Exception X, I believe. Log error. X message return -1. Yeah. So if we have a message, let's log info, new source response. Try catch exception X, log error, X message, and return an empty, return null. Null's fine. A little space here. Cool. I could wrap everything, but it might prove a bit harder to debug. So I'll just wrap each of them. We are communicating with OBS, so like I do a logic check here if OBS is connected. But at the same time, you never know. OBS might be connected here, but then lose connection here. So we just gonna nicely crash it here and output the message. Let's log in for item ID to string, because it's an int. Very good. This is not needed anymore. Okay, so position, new source, scene name, and it's gonna be and source ID. tabbing is very important to be aware of how things are positioned. Next is, let's copy this one, temp pose X, temp pose Y. Okay, OBS and raw. Move JSON. Ready. Let's in transform. That's for now void because we have no clue, and instead news source transform. Do this. It's void, so we don't need to return anything. Save and compile. Test trigger. If action object reference not set to an instance of an object. Found missing. Okay. Bam 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 bam. So we got current scene found. And we failed this one, didn't we? String or errors. Procedure. So, you know what? String format. Procedure. Yep. Now, no. Log error. Yeah. Let's see. Name. I'll have to check if I can actually extract it from the exception. I might change this error, but for now, create new source. 74 log error. Execute. And this too. Where did I put? Bad habits. Anyhow, so no, get sim name. Get scene name doesn't do anything, does it? On second, scene item ID. So yeah, the scene item was created. Yep, it was. No. But wait, object reference not set to an... fuck. Yeah, this one. So yeah, so... Mm-hmm. How does overloading work, I wonder? That void. If I just did here string procedure string logline, I don't think that's gonna that doesn't mind. Log info string format. Procedure log line. That's one too many. Is that correct? Yep. So in non-execute, let's do this. Ah, okay, yeah. Name. Oops. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Very good. More coffee. Okay. I should delete this one. Where's delete? Me do be blind sometimes. Keyboard shortcuts are the best. Don't need this, and honestly don't really need that. Position new source, which is name, item ID. Should check if item ID is not -1 though. Save and compile, and test trigger. It's got created, so get scene name missing, action, create new source, scene item ID, and that doesn't return really anything. So I can't really say it has moved anywhere. But that does seem to be trigger an exception here. Huh. Doesn't like converting. I'm guessing or pausing. It gets here fine. So object reference not set to an instance of an object. Did I miss something? Those names are correct. New source response, new source response. Pam pam. You know what? Don't really see why this wouldn't work. Guess I messed up this bit. And compile just to double check. Yep. Dun, 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 dun. Huh? Oh, that did actually fail because I didn't delete that. Okay, oh, let's contain it. And it did move this time. Well, thanks. Out of nowhere you started working now. GG. But it moved, that's the important bit. Mm-hmm. Okay. I might do this. If it... Yeah, actually, yeah, don't mind it. If it crashes, it's -1. If item ID plus -1, then... And actually, log error, I want one with a log error. Simplicity is great. Yep, overloading a bit. Now I don't want this here, I don't want this here, because these are just messages. These are not crashes, these are an execute, and that means it's a main. I'm happy with it being like this. And log error. Could not get item ID. Cool. Very cool, very cool, very cool. So we create, we move. I might create a separate one where we try to get it, just in case. Like, we might create it, but be unable to get it. So if we create it, we try to get it from creation. If that fails, then have a separate one where we get it, just in case this happens again. Cool. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, so this doesn't work. This doesn't return anything, so no point in doing. But we'll try catch just in case. We don't want the whole thing to crash if this fails. Failed to position false. Nice space. This nice. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so we get the scene, we get item ID, we put name. So after positioning, it should already be fine. Private read only and then flip seconds. This is gonna be a millisecond, so them will thread sleep 10,000. Private void remove boss. Give me a moment, I'm thinking. Let me check one thing. OBS web socket remove item. Meh. Wow. Okay, so I can only remove from using the name. Move string source name. Try catch exception X. Yes, that's better. Log error. New source. Message. It's good. just to check. String remove input response. Just check if it does do anything. Log info remove input response. Oh, it's input name. Yep, it does not exist. Source name. Cool. And let's test the trigger. Oh, I multiplied by too much. It's by 1,000. Okay, get in name. Yep. Well, taking a minute. But yeah, that was way too much. Oh, and I remove source, which will be source name. Okay, well, at least it's finished. It's gone. That felt way longer than a second though. Yep, that's doesn't do much. Cool. In that case, source removed. Okay, awesome, I guess. I know. So, as I said, I will implement a protection, which is to get item ID. Where did I have that code? Create new source. Private. And create new source. No, well, get source ID. I need scene name and string source name. Okay, scene name, source name. Don't like word result. Spawns. Okay. Try catch exception X. Oh, you return this log error. Get source ID X message. -1. Not local. Oh yeah, that's return. Okay, so firstly, if item ID equals -1, then item ID equals get source ID, the name, source name, yeah. So that's a fallback. So we create a source, we try to get item ID. Should return item ID. Sometimes fails. A fallback if the first call did create the source but failed to provide ID. We still don't have an ID after the fallback. It's all screwed up. Sounds good. Cool. Compile, save. Let's check. Riga. Hell yeah, it's here. 1. It definitely is longer than a second. Oh, because I have 10 seconds set. That explains it. God damn it. Set up more than 10 seconds and expecting a second. Idiot. Yeah, that's better. Cool. Okay. No. Private string, get random name. We should be able to create, I don't remember how, don't care enough, so get random name. Nope. I need a completely random string for source name. Does not have to have any meaning to it. wanted of x length. Yep, that's what I wanted. I was just too lazy to type it myself. Okay. Length. I don't know. 10. On string length. 10. Eh. Can I have like this, please? Oh, what? 32 identifier expected. Oh yeah, cost and yay. So source name is not gonna be needed anymore. Where is execute? String source name equals get random name. Nah, Control S does not work. Always annoys me. That's C name. So source name, source name, source name. Noise. So let's check if that works now. Test. Yep, that did work. Hell yeah! Now. What do I need now? Five seconds sounds good enough. Temporal. What in unrelated? What info can I get from exception? Stack trace source. No exception, no constants exception. This is installed here can be null target side and reduction. Yeah, pretty. I quite like that. So, log error. I'm pretty sure I have this. So will be exception X. What I'm expecting. And will be X dot message. And will be X dot stack trace. So message will be inside the brackets and the rest will be let's pass just X. X can't give it to you. Okay. That. Oh. I could just give it a next. Logger 50, line 50. Ah, here we are. Awesome. Me do be happy. Okay. Generic culture override CPA call to make formatting easier. Fully random thing to get a name of brand of X size. Obvious stuff to set items in to work with items on the scene. Get scene, create item, get item ID, delete item, blah blah blah. Cool. Q. So this will be the secondary. So first we will most likely need to get the gifts. Okay. So Gippy. Is it Gippy 3? Wow. Don't mind me, I'm just on the other screen creating a Giphy account. TV account. We'll save it. Of course, I got an email now. Oh, it is an email. I need to update it. Save. I don't have gifts. I need an API. Back here. Oh. Yeah, Explorer. Create an API key, that's what I want. Come on, Giphy. Yeah, I don't have an SDK, so I just need an API. Name, streamer.bot, command, web, I guess. Yeah. Add and display gives on stream using streamer.bot. Agree. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, for now, close this. Variables. So if we API key Awesome. Awesome. Grip from Giphy. The system does not even work. I'm wondering. Well, it does. I want to check one thing, because I forget some things. So execute here, and in the end, I want these two. Yeah, let's keep that near execute. So all the things related would be correct. String URL L. Yeah. Private read only. Okay. Okay. Fuck it. Works for me. Depeating. Don't need that. Or actually, yeah, I'm fine. Okay. So. I wait. Web client. Yeah. Yep, doesn't exist in the current. No shit, Sherlock. Bum bum. Well. Obsolete. Web client versus yeah. I love it when it recommends something and then goes, oh yeah, maybe no. TP client. Jesus Christ. No, I don't like that. FHTTP client. Oops. What's the system at HTTP? That's why. Oh yeah. My mistake, I'm sorry. Be assigned, text assigned. Yeah, cause now not read only. Method name expected 129. Lol. Whoopsie. Awesome. Where's the docs? Not all, which are we need more. Protect status, we have a great separate endpoints, corporate attribution, best practices. Sorry, just reading the nearby search endpoint. Yeah, give search, API key, give string, limit 1. Yeah, that's good. Message on clips, rating. Aha. Rating G, low, no profane, no sexual, no wellness. Till nothing unless you sort out, but still common in business. Okay. Okay. Private string rating so in the setup f rating equals, well, for now PG-13, I guess. Is that correct for the rating? I would love to put it R, but I have some viewers that might abuse it too much. Cool language default EN, that's fine. No bundle, no country code. PSL. For the end user request. Country code is also proxy. Don't care. The sign position of the result. Okay, I think that's fine. Another one. Rating. 2. Bundle. What's bundle? That's what I want to check. Mobile desktop application. If your use case is mobile desktop, have a great carousel picker. Nope, there's no pickings. No. Less than. Messaging non-clips. But formats that suitable for animated assets created efficiently. Well, okay, let's try it. It is no point in worrying too much. Okay. Oh, Kidok, where was I? Run it synchronously. Yeah, okay. Okay. Well then, private string get Giphy and get Giphy GIF. Search string. The rest are globals. Okay. String. Alright. String format Giphy Ori. Private string. PI key. Okay. Private T. I'm hoping I write things correctly. I don't remember if I need the things. Private T. Get variable. String variable name. Bool. It's global. Default val. T default val. 133 time this you can let me double check. How does it work in C#? Do I need something in... Oh yeah. That's fine. That explains it. Yeah, that's correct. Giphy. Where's get Giphy? No, oh, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Get variable T. Okay, 133. Got a few errors now. Oh yeah. Know what? For now. Yep. Okay. Var wall. Okay, variable name. It's global. If string is null or white space val, then val equals default val, return val. Oh, sorry, T. Going from T to string. Okay. Help. Yeah, generic T. What's the generic one? Oh, okay. True. That feels like JavaScript, goddammit. Yeah. So that's the check I shall be doing. Is default. True. Get global variable. Cool. Variable string. API key true. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so API key. Need to check my variables. That's stupid. Okay. Where's the API key? Give. What was the name? Rating. And the default is gonna be PG-13. Very good. Me likey. Me likey. Okay, give URL, give key, search term. Oh, that actually I would like to encode that. Term and then app rating. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so yeah, that does not return. That's not the correct name. Uri, not parallel. Make some spaces. That's simplistic ones. Pause it. Log info. If you're all Bones body. I'm wondering if we actually have a bit more info about it. What does the dog say? Meta object? What's a meta object? So that's the message. Okay, cool. Pagination object, offset, total count, count numbers. Yeah, that's the and the data. Okay. My curiosity now is get same name. Oh yeah, temporal. I think we'll change the cycling. Outstring if you're right. And this will be bool. Return. So past meta status equal 200. What do you mean? And okay, it doesn't have. Okay. To string, I don't mind. If get Giphy GIF. Out string GIF Uri. Oh yeah, whoopsie. Turn false. Okay, get global variable. No, that's not correct. Give me a second to remind myself. Yes, that's what I need. Try get hogs. Raw input. String is null or white space. Raw input and is not. Okay, well, whoop. Raw input equals rec. Hey. Give me my spaces. Okay, raw input. Okay, key, and then temp array is incorrect. It's gonna be give array. Save and compile. Unauthorized. Okay, log info. Log default. With key. No, that will be with rating of. That will be that. This will be rating. Ooh, yo. And don't need that. We'll add other stuff later on. Rating of API key. It does have the API key. So wait, unauthorized. Key, you're right. Give a key, search term, rating, am I correct? So API key, search term, rating. Huh. It's like while the synchronous for the result no indicates and ensure the API key or the API key is missing. Well, that wouldn't be good. We do have the API key. Log info, you're right. Test. It is missing. Oh god, give API key. So, API key. That sounds correct. And what do you fuck you mean 0? Yeah, rating PG-13, API key is there. We don't really want the API key to be visible. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Ah, fuck it. Just if there's any funny people, I do plan to cancel this API key and make a new one after I'm done. So don't think of being a smart ass and trying to reuse the key. It's, yeah, just a private string. It doesn't have any minimal. Okie doke. We'll need to limit also the raw strings. But why? Is it because of this? Yeah. Oh, forgot to check. Damn. Lol. Okay, what do we have? Oh god. So let's do this, because I don't want to read all of this as it is. Oh god, where's the start? That's the start. Okie doke. For my JSON. Oh. Oh god. Good enough. Do we have images? We do have. K. One second. What do we have? Data object. Give me a second. Images. Yep. Images with and the size. Okay. Det är version av det. Okay, okay. Including the return of the get giphy give to abstract of image info of image with image height. Yep. Cool. I like that way more. Okay. Let's define a custom class. Class for returning data from Giphy that I will use. Yep, that's completely fine. And now get Giphy GIF out. Cool. No. Pause, response body, pause. So we'll do this. Return false. Yeah. Let's start by false null. Okay, so we set up the format. Let's remove this. We don't need that. We don't want to output keys. Okay. Turn false. Yeah. Data. And then this will be if data equals, and just tab it like this, put this here. Okay, this is fine. Query with height. Giphy GIF. Yeah, that's a T Giphy GIF. Yeah, we should try catch. Try catch. Exception X log error X, and X. Almost makes me want to listen to some Exhibit, doesn't it? Okay. Return past meta status code to string equals 200. If we have a status code, that is. And just to confirm, response codes, where are they? Oh yeah, it's just states. Pile somewhere. Oh god, that is in incorrect location. Oh, not all codes. Oh yeah. False. Yep. Update. True. Okay. Bool give status equals I guess like oh yeah. If not give status then false. What? 957. Oh yeah. Oopsie. 174. Yep. That's also an oopsie. Cool. Pass data equals no. Okay. Give data. Create new source. Okay, and this will be give data URL, give data width, give data height. Jesus Christ, can't see shit on that one. Let me just get over here. Stream manager. No, layout wall. Huh? Where's my preview? Picky bugger. I will go through here then. Ugh. Using browser source to show the GIF theory, I get a cookie on send. How to remove that? In the browser level. Not empt or page URL. Okay. Data. Let's try that. Images original. So you recommend this. Well, let's see. Let's try it out. Test trigger. I still get a cookie policy. That kind of sucks. Just original. Okay, firstly. Choose stream to return the data of object. Yep, that's what I want. Log info. If we give data to string. Nice. Guys, this gives too much info. Test. Should I maybe use something instead of browser source to display in the GIF? I got it. Download the GIF, use image and no, yeah. Actually, I'm curious. Where's the dogs? On the search. Open. Yeah, that should be without this. That's why. Go to. Where's the MP4 one? Curiosity wise. Okay, that's a bit annoying. Okay. So, got okay, consent form. Maybe give you no else. The bot got a bit bound. No, it's to buy bad. And the source code pragmatically. I add user agent through that. Let's check. Come on. Let's try that. Nope. Wasn't there an empty one? Okay, where's dogs? Dogs. Don't sample, fix it, don't sample. Oh god. No. Yeah, that's also a no. It should be that. Okay. I don't want to download the file. Let's check. No trending search endpoints. Rendition on demand, but ultimately limit which renditions in line with the user has typed in. Economy. Use the rating parameter to tailor the response to your preferences. Giphy image consent. Oh no. Cookie consent. Oh shit. No, wrong one. Let's start just checking on the other screen. Forgive me. This shouldn't be so hard. Okay. You might as well try it, you know. I really don't want to download it onto PC. Okay, now back to here, test trigger. Nope, cookie policy. Okay, let's have a look a bit more manual. Don't mind that. Yep, that does have the cookie consent form. Picky bugger in it. Check. Mm-hmm. Well, ha 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 ha. Oh shit. I'm looking at the wrong thing! Oh damn it. That's the one I want. Ah. No. Giphy on display. Cookie consent. Chrome, Firefox. OBS browser source disable cookie consent. Nah. Because I have the answer. Just interact. Okay. Well, I guess we'll have to go the other way. To store locally. Have other. Right ideas. That sucks. That downloads that. give for now. It fucks up always. Should be OS temporary file location straight away. I don't want to save it everywhere. It's system IO. Of course I do. Okay. System IO. Nice. Now okay. That is very unfortunate and very annoying. Yep, I thought. Oh. Fuck it. Let's add this. Alright, clean down. I'll download the two full boss. Hate these spacings. Not fond of. I'm very picky about my spacings. I want code to be easy to read for me, and I'm used to these spacings because my colleagues is at work. No, not Giphy temp. I don't need Giphy temp. Output there. Now temp path. That should be already created. I don't think I'm gonna need this. Okay. Give URL. We check if the local path is not empty, which I'm happy. That's the wrong place I put the space in. If it's not, it's return false. And then URL is local path. Cool. Okay, cannot be found. Web client. Oh god. HTTP use HTML instead of creating web client again. God damn it. I know I should. Why the fuck are you asking me to do something different now? Yep. I'm way happier with that. Local path. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now we'll have private void cleanup. String source name. Give data, was it? Give data. Data. Give data. Okay. Add that. Give data URL. Remove source. We'll just remove source. Source name. Catch. Exception X. We're doing it separately so that even if remove new source fails, we still want to delete the file. Cannot be found. 25. The Giphy GIF. Silly name. Okie doke. Source. Catch. We log. We log and delete the media file for now. I'll remove that. Clean up. Source name and give data. File path. Yeah. Data array. Give data array. Save. Cool. And compile. Merge Windows store temp files. Where was it? Yeah, thought so. Because update local temp by oopsie. No, 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 I don't want that. Yeah, that's fine. This. Okay, first test it. Okay, 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 okay. It's gone. Oh! Oh, it's still there. My stream seems to have crashed. That's weird and scary. Whoopsie daisy, I crashed my stream. Anywho, and that didn't delete the GIF, yes. Because it all crashed and burned. And was this, okay, Giphy action. Okay, get the name. What? Create new souls. Didn't like that. For whatever reason. If data, URL. So. But JSON escape you path, yeah. Okay, interesting. Oh, that's great new souls. Oh yeah, because most likely I need to where is new create new souls? Because now it's actually in my PC. Something got added. Did it actually? Well, I don't see Giphy, so might have been. No clue what these temp ones are. Okay. Is my stream is live, right? Yeah, my stream is live, thank God. To tag B profile. Yes, yes. Don't think I need either of these, so his local file is enough. That's interesting. Yep, Jason is wrong. That Jason is still wrong. Views was fine, just the string was wrong. Oops. File. Oh, what? Was that the correct thing? Let's try that. Well, that didn't work. Need more info. Wait, give for each string. Oh yeah, no, that's correct. Just this should be like this. Too lazy. Okay, well, does complain there's an error. Well, I guess without so many of these BS. Hmm. Okay, now the problem is it's not displaying. And just to confirm. Okay, we have a GIF file here, mp4, and it's gone. Okay, that works. The problem is it's not displaying. Maybe because I'm doing the mp4 one. Okay. Where is the GIF file? Delete. That. Where's the docs? The docs. Okay, let's. Major original URL. Okay, well that's weird. Okay, yeah, I think that's a good idea, actually. Where's the deletion? Let's, for now, save and compile, test trigger. Nothing happens, unfortunately. And let's check the GIF. Okay. Then don't mind this. Need more space. Okay. Browser. That works. Okay. Let's remove it. That's weird. That do be weird. No, I don't see any errors. Give me a reason. No. Nothing happens. For whatever reason. So you know what? I know what I'll try. Execute code. So instead of where is it? Here it is. don't clean up at all. File, save, okay. Test trigger. Local file is empty. Oh, let's delete it. So this one is incorrect. String local URI equals return to JSON. Yes, it's not. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, you're right, and here's just the file. You're right. Okay. I deleted that. Yes, I did. Test. At least we got some errors. Scene. Why does sometimes it fail? One, creating new source. Does it say which line? Create new source. Yes, send raw. I wonder if it these ones. Though. Feel like it was working before. Yep, it did created. I don't see though any GIFs. Yep. And within K. Well, we're getting there slowly but surely. Okay. No, one more. File correct. Did I delete a thing? I did not. Delete. Yeet out of this existence, demon. Okay, error now. Okay, not get item ID. No shit. Create new source, send raw. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's this. It still seems to be wrong. Damn it. it could be a bit more picky about that. Oh, well. Okay. Delete. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yes, I could. Oh, info. Well, simple enough. I deleted that. Perfect. Tested grades and log says file. No, well, I guess. Fuck it. Let's do. Full tent. 94. Did I delete the thing? I did not delete the thing. Oh, 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 oh. Was it? I forgot if it doesn't exist. Picky bugger. No, I did not. That's my long day. She's now clear. Okay. Well, I can try it. I suspect that's not gonna help. I if it will, then perfect. Did I remove the source? I did remove the source. Did help? God damn. Well, I'll be damned. Oh. Very quickly, let me remove all of these gifs. Don't care, I don't know what some of these files are. Yep. Delete the ones you can. Don't care enough about the others. Cool. String is null or white space raw input. Then raw input is Shrek. Okay, so that's that. We check if it's connected. So we check if we have a source. Need to check now everything. Oh god. Synchronized request, meta, we check for the image, etc, 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 etc. So now I trigger it, we get a GIF for some seconds. Okay, cool. So okay, private and pause X pause. Can I actually use this? Oh, I can. Oh, that's cool. Would like to move this like this. So initialization. Give X pause true, default is gonna be and that's a lowercase. And Y pause 600. Okay, now temp's gone. Don't need these ones, fuck them. That's now gonna fail. Tempos X and Y 139. It doesn't open if you double click, which is annoying. Position new source, yes. Pause X, pause Y, F pause X, F pause I. Yes, that do be the case. Oh, more info. What was? Interesting. I should be playing. The content owner has added your channel to their allow list. That's very interesting because I am listening to chill hop music, which should be streamable. I don't care. Fuck that. Okay. I got distracted. Okay, yes. F, give timer. Time. Giphy. Timer. 300. Give timer as seconds. Test. Hell yeah. What was the command? Giphy. Huh? Wee. Nice. That's pretty cool. Oh, a pending request by Moxie. Who's Moxie? I'll need to check that later. Have no clue who's Moxie. I know no Moxie. Da, 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 da. Okay, yeah, I need to remove some of the things I was checking, so don't need this. I am gonna assume that we found something because it will have failed somewhere else. Otherwise, I mean, we're just not gonna display anything. Not a huge issue. I think that's pretty cool in the end of the day. I mean, something's gonna crash, then well, fuck it. I think that's a fair assessment anyway. Game with rating. Yeah, API key should be the first one. That's important. Rating of that. X position. Y position. 2 and timer of 3. Okay, F rating, F plus X, F plus Y, F give timer. We'll check for every execute if we have the API key, if we have raw input. If we don't have either, then fuck it. Maybe I'll increase the also later on. I'll add the ability to change the timer. Actually, does the GIF image does Giphy provide length of the GIF? Huh. Mm, mm, mm. Pivot bool. Use give duration. Give duration map. Oh shit. Okay. Use give duration. Give and give timer equals f give timer if I use give duration, then give timer equals what was it, give data duration. We don't have that yet. And bool give use give timer false but 29. Oh, yep. Now, oh, we're getting some cool stuff here. Yeah, we don't have those. Metadata extractor available in streamer.bot. Yo, Slob. Yo, Slob. Are you still around? Oh shit, damn it, I was playing with some code. I don't need these ones. Yeah, compiles now. Cool, no? Oh, it doesn't get. Well, it gives the Giphy search, the first one that hits the search term you pass in. So how you know how you write in Discord/GIF and you get a choice. So instead of getting the choice, I just get the first one that would be the choice there. and show it on screen. Cool, no? Only a little bit of coding. Yeah, also like an interesting for you. I don't really care about showing this. So my OBS, right? So if you write the GIF, you'll see that it actually... Why did it fail now? GIF action. That's interesting. Didn't like that one for whatever reason. Well, okay. I'll have a look later. So it creates actually a source, right? And then deletes it. So it means you don't need any OBS setup except of course the WebSocket, which you normally do set up in streamer.bot anyway. And this also means that you don't need to care about the scene, because we're getting the current scene you're on. So we get the scene, we create a browser source, we put the GIF on it, we wait X number of seconds, and then we remove everything. Cool, no? I was struggling with cookies, so I had to change the code to, instead of displaying the online GIF, to actually download the GIF into the PC. I'm using the temporary folder for that. Then of course display it, and then when we're finished we clean up and we delete the file, because I don't want to keep any old ones. So there is a chance of stuff crashing and then GIF file being left over. But it's a temporary file, so Windows might clean it up one day. Awesome, no? I made a regular test trigger just to test something. Well, that sounds like your problem. Shriek. You're a monster! Indeed you are. How could you? That was a pretty fun project, not gonna lie. I enjoyed making this. This was an enjoyable action. Now we'll have starting to get hungry and it is getting to fall, so most likely I'll go have some food and start getting ready for work. Still gonna play a bit with it, still need some cleanup, etc. Most of the stuff I think I'm done with. I would love to somehow get a bit more consistent size of it. And also I would love to get the duration of the GIF for longer ones. So yeah, but we're getting there. We got a pretty decent thing. Actually, Giphy. Yeah, the thing that sucks is it doesn't show the Giphy logo, which Giphy might get upset about. I will need to think about that. But that's for next time. Since we are using Giphy API and we do need an API key, they have a strict requirement of putting their shit on. So yeah, we'll need to think about that. But that's for another time. Possibly, we'll need to think about it. Yep, nice. Works on all scenes, by the looks of it. Oh, God. I do have it. Yeah, I did set up the rating for PG-13, so some of this content can't. But, you know, we do have counter on the streams every now and then, and I thought giving an R rating would not be the best option. Oh god. Maybe I'll also do a smarter bit. Currently we are just positioning it X and Y, but maybe I'll make it so we calculate the middle position of the GIF to position it, instead of top left corner at the position X and Y. Would be easier to deal with in regards of GIFs having different sizes. Yeah, I'll think about that. It's not hard to do. You're really enjoying this command, aren't you? Oh god. No? No, not at all. Oh, I wish it got the proper one where Bunny Rabbit goes, no. Cool. Anywho, I'm hungry. Time to go eat. Sucks I'm affiliated, I can't add my own things. My own emojis. Get. Yeah, well, considering you've been awfully using it a lot, I guess it was a good comment to make. We'll need to add a separate comment for showing off at random intervals in the chat that, oh, you can use your GIFs as much as you want. Well, not as much. I'll need to put some restrictions on the cooldowns so that somebody wouldn't spam it. Oh, okey-doke. But cool. Yeah, I'm gonna be finishing this up. If anyone's in the chat except of the damn slob, thank you for watching the stream, and most likely you will see me tomorrow. I don't think I'll be messing with the code tomorrow. More likely I'll be playing some video games, because I'll be tired from coding, because I... Because I've been coding most of the morning today, and I'll continue coding up until 1 a.m. So I'll most likely rest tomorrow. Anywho, thanks for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.